Welcome to Japan. We hope you'll have a great time here. Here are some Japanese traffic rules to avoid causing or being involved in a traffic accident. Firstly, when you're driving in Japan, you must, of course, have a driving license. As long as it matches the Geneva Convention and it's issued by an authorized authority, you're good to go with an international permit. If it's been issued and authorized from the following countries and there's an official translation, you're good to go. This is valid for 1 year after entry to Japan. Please be aware of the validity period.
Let's drive!
Here are some basic Japanese traffic rules. In Japan, we drive on the left side of the road. Some countries drive on the right, and sometimes visitors mistakenly drive on the right in Japan. You must never drink alcohol before you drive. Alcohol dulls both judgment and vision. It's the root cause of accidents. If you drink and drive, heavy punishments await you, as you can see. And the penalties aren't just for the driver. If you know that the driver has been drinking and you still ask for a lift anyway, or you knowingly serve alcohol to the driver, knowing they'll be driving, or if you lend them a car, you will be punished. Don't drink and drive. Don't drink and drive. That's the golden rule. You must not hold a smartphone and talk or look at a screen while driving. You could face prison for up to 6 months or a fine of up to 100,000 yen. Should you cause a further accident, you could face prison for up to 1 year or incur a fine for up to 300,000 yen. Even with a GPS, you must not operate it while driving. Set your GPS first and concentrate on driving. Let's take a look at some traffic signs. Do you know what this means? Actually, it's a stop sign. What? The shape is different. In most countries, the stop sign is octagonal. However, in Japan, it's an inverted triangle. Always stop at this sign. You must check that it's safe. This is a sign featuring the picture of a bus. It's a bus-only lane for scheduled buses. Only certain vehicles, such as scheduled buses, can pass through. This is a priority road sign. Although regular vehicles can also pass through, when a bus, etc. approaches from behind, priority must be given to scheduled buses, etc. This is a one-way sign. Only drive in the direction of the arrow. Vehicles are not allowed. They cannot enter where this sign is displayed. This sign means there's a pedestrian crossing. Beware of pedestrians crossing the street. Pedestrians always have right-of-way. If there are pedestrians, stop. You must wait until pedestrians have crossed. You must stop at a red light. Going straight, right or left is prohibited. If the light's red and there's a green arrow, you can turn in that direction. Take care turning on a green light. When oncoming cars are passing, those in the opposite lane have priority. In order to avoid rear-end collisions, it's important to maintain a safe distance from the car in front. If you're going at 60 kilometers per hour, you'll drive about 33 meters in 2 seconds. Wait 2 seconds to pass the car in front of you, in order to keep an appropriate distance. In the case of a traffic accident, stay calm and do the following. 1. Stop the car and move to a safe place. 2. Call an ambulance on 119 if anyone's injured. Follow 119's instructions. Take measures to stop any bleeding. 3. Even if there are no injuries, report the accident to the police on 110. You must not leave the scene until the police arrive. Follow the rules and enjoy your trip to Japan. Enjoy Japan!